I'm Gino, solo developer. I built Claude Recall because I manage over 27 repos, and I always run across the same problem every Claude user runs across: context amnesia. And that is what I've solved. Every Claude Code session that ends, the next one starts completely blank. And I kept solving the same problem twice, 4 times, over and over again. Started to find myself in this, there has to be a better way. So Claude Recall is what I wanted for myself. It indexes every session locally. There's no telemetry, there's no cloud, and I use it every day. I tweeted the details because the details are the product. The CLI greets you with a real dashboard, not just like a print F, and ultimately $29.69 one time, no subscription, and it's less than 2 coffees. If you spend a single afternoon hunting for what you've discussed last month, this pays for itself the first week, and that's a fact.